What do you do, YouTube? Welcome back to this video. So in this video I have a brand new strategy that I want to show you that you can use starting today to make your first Clickbank commission online. So what you want to do is you want to watch this video all the way through to the end. It's going to be short videos. It's not going to be those long videos that talk about fluff. I'm going to be straightforward, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So the first things first you need to do is you need to have a product to promote, and I'm going to show you where you can get all those products. So the first website you're going to go to is called Cbengine. So this is the website right here. Just Google for it, you will find it easily. The website is called Cbengine. So this is the website. It shows you the statistics, products, and anything related to Clickbank products. So you can use this to do your research and see which products are coming up. The marketplace are picking momentum. So that's what we are going to be leveraging to make your first sale as quickly as possible. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and go to Cbengine, then click over to where it says new products on the left screen. I hope you can see this. It says new products right here. Click on that, and it should take you to a screen similar to the one you're seeing right now. So what you want to do is you want to look for products that are going to pay you anywhere from 65% and above commissions, and these are products that are new to the marketplace, and these products have potential. So they have proven themselves that they're converting. So how do you know that? Is by looking at the gravity here. So the gravity will tell you more about this product. If the product is good, then smart affiliates are already jumping on it and they are already promoting this. So you can see there's this one called the new March 2021 Recession Profit Secrets. Is a new product and has just been added to the marketplace, and it's number 19 so far, picking up momentum. I don't know what the product is about, but we're going to find out soon. I think it's about manifestation and stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to look for a product with a gravity of 20 and higher, and it's a new product. That means that product has potential, or it's in a niche that is really hot and people are interested in that niche. So this is the product. Let me open up the sales page. So this is let me open up the video sales page. So I happen to have watched the video for this very product. So you can see this is a video, and the video has a really nice title and hook angle to it. So it's I think it's in the manifestation niche or something like that, but I'm not so sure. So I read the text version of it and I saw that it's maybe something related to manifestation or something like that, teaching people how to manifest wealth. So I hope you get the idea. So you must always watch the videos and see what the product is about, what they are talking, which angle they're using, so that you know what you're promoting. This is a big mistake people make. They promote products, they also don't know what they do. So you need to understand what the product is about. So this product may be in the manifestation niche. I'll have to find out later on, but according to the look of the sales video, it might be that. So let me close this out. So if you go over to Google and search for the reviews of this very product, Recession Profit Secrets reviews, you should see that these are press releases, so you don't need to worry about those. If you have the money, you can pay for them to get those first page sports number 1 to 10. You can get them easily using press releases, though I don't recommend it when you're a beginner because you don't know what you're doing. So that's one way of getting those first page rankings quickly. So this is a press release. This is a press release. This is a website that does a lot of reviews. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be reviewing this very product, and if you don't know what the product is about, what you need to do is you need to open up as many of these reviews, read them, and see what they're talking about. So let's open up this text smash one. So you can see that let me highlight everything and count these words. So you can see it's not a long article, it's just 1050 3 words. So this means you can easily outrank this if you have 2000 words. So, and I recently showed you in the past how to get onto page 1 using Medium, and you can see this person here wrote this article 1 day ago and is already taking up the number 3 spot on Google by just writing their article on Medium. So I hope you're seeing this power of Medium. So I've talked about Medium in the past. What you need to do is you need to add your target keyword in the title and add it in the first paragraph. So you can see Recession Profit Secrets is a training program introduced by a business expert. So you can see it's something related to a training or anything related to making money online. So these products really convert well and they have been tested. So you can see that people are making videos 3 hours ago, 2 days ago, and this, I think this is their Facebook fan page, I'm very sure. Then you can see the result number 10 is not even related to recession profit secret. So this shows you that if you start seeing results that are not even related to the product, it shows you that the competition is still low and you should jump on this right now. So what you need to do is you need to go over to Medium. I'll leave a video in the description below or in the cards, so you can watch that video on how to optimize your video and even rank. So if you don't know what the product is about, read as many of these reviews and get an idea of what they are talking about. This website has a huge authority. I know this website is hard to outrank it, but with Medium it's gonna be an easy ranking. So what you need to do is you need to go read this text smash one, read this PV post. This is a press release, so you don't need to worry about that. What you need to do, I know this lady, she's a YouTuber, and she teaches some good methods, so you can check out her channel, though some of them I don't find them that helpful. So you can go ahead and read this, see what they're talking about, then rewrite this in your own words. Give people bonuses. I've talked about the power of bonuses, so I will leave a link to IDPLR. That's a website where you can get bonuses that you can give away for free. So give people bonuses, then they will be more likely to buy from you. So we'll talk about the Clickbank marketplace, talk about what they are getting, all that interesting stuff. So you can see that this was posted on March 9th, which is just 3 days ago, something of that sort. Then read as many of these. You can see that they're all talking about the modules inside this course, the pros. Make sure you review the product. Don't sell the product, review it, give your honest opinion. And if you haven't bought the product itself, read these articles and see what other people are talking about and see if it's a really helpful program. And if you really want to know if the product is legit, you can just go over to Reddit, search for that product and see what other people are discussing about the product. So since this is a new product, there won't be a lot of information on Reddit. That's one way you can know if the product is really legit and you haven't bought it yet. So if people are discussing positive things about the product, then it's good. Go ahead and promote it, and that's how you can know that the product is really legit. And most of those Clickbank products are not good products, so you must always do your research as an affiliate and promote something that is good to your audience. So go ahead and try this method. What you need to do is go over to Cbengine, find these new products, then you need to go and get your affiliate link using Clickbank. If you can't use Clickbank, I've talked about other websites. I'll leave links to those videos as well, you can watch, so that you can implement the similar strategy but on other affiliate networks. So this is the strategy for this video. Go ahead and take action on this, and you can see that the competition is still low. And if we go to page 2, I'm gonna be sure that there are no other, you can see that results that are showing up. Okay, there's this one which is written on Reddit, so you can also use Reddit, but it's not an assured thing that you will always get ranked on page 1. So use Medium, write a long article which is about 2000 words. Make sure you give your honest opinion. If you try to be spammy on Medium, your account will get shut down or suspended. So always be honest in your reviews. Don't try to promote the product, but give a review of the product. If you're honest, people will buy through your link, and you will see that your conversions will explode through the roof. So that's it for this